Okay, lilis lang tayo. Paglipat mo, bigla kang nagkaroon ng Your Face. Sounds familiar. So, nung binigay sa'yo yun, hindi ka ba nag-hesitate? Kasi magkakaroon ka ng mga, mag-impersonate ka, di ba?
Hindi ako nag-hesitate. First of all, it was my first project na in-offer sa akin ng ABS.
Yes.
Kaya excited na excited ako. Tapos nung kunentos pa sa akin yung concept na performance, mga imitation, music, no-brainer na yun sa akin. Umuuna ako sa kanila.
And what was the hardest part during the competition?
The hardest part during the competition was Beyonce.
Ay, in fairness, you pulled it off naman.
Thank you.
Yung outfit mo, di ba?
Oo, di ba? Panty na lang nangyari dito tapos naka-heels. Ang hirap talaga.
Ano ba yung mahirap? Yung suot o yung boses ni Beyonce?
Lahat, kasi nakakahiya Nahiya ako sa stage habang kumakanta, tapos may sayaw pa. Tapos sayaw hanggang heels, may heels, tapos yung boses, babae pa. Ang laki-laki ng boses ko, parang ng babae. Kaya ang hirap. Sa akin, hindi ko medyo na-achieve, pero natutuwa ako kasi syempre lahat ng mga tao na naging happy sila na ginawa ko yun.
And the fun, pinaka-fun na part ng
yung pinaka-fun sa akin it's either Stevie Wonder or Billy Crawford. Billy Crawford kasi syempre, kaibigan ko siya at gusto ko i-impersonate siya. Pero yung Stevie Wonder kasi, I grew up listening to Stevie Wonder. Tapos madali lang si Stevie Wonder bulag. So, walang masyadong galaw.
Saka yung boses medyo kayang-kaya.
Yes. Kasi I listened to him ever since I was a kid. Kaya medyo nagamay ko yung boses ko.
Curious lang ako, dun sa mga makeup and ano ba yung, sino ba yung mga glam team mo?
Yung glam team, when it comes to the prosthetics, isang team lang yun We go in at 6 a.m.
Okay.
Tapos, each of us, it takes about 2 to 2.5 hours of prosthetics. Tapos, tatlong team yan May prosthetics team, merong airbrush team, tapos may makeup team. Isa lang yung prosthetics team, isa lang yung airbrush team, tapos yung makeup artist, iba-iba. Nagro-rotate kami.
Okay. Hindi naman haggard pag day ng competition?
Medyo haggard kasi syempre buong araw nakaglue yung prosthetics sa mukha mo, ganon. Kaya yung mga tulad ni Bamboo, walang prosthetics yun, lang, makeup lang yun. Yun ang happy kami pag ganon Sina Tuti, pag konti lang yung ilong lang prosthetics. Kasi pag tinatanggal yan, oil lang ginagamit. Tapos nakadikit So kailangan talaga maraming oil. So pagkatapos syempre, talagang mantika na yung face mo pagkatapos. Kaya kailangan i-rejuvenate ang aming skin kasi magba-breakout, magra-rashes, mga ganun. So they really take care of it talaga.
So far, how would you rate yung experience?
The
whole experience.
My gosh, from 1 to 10, I would say the experience is 100 talaga. It's my first time ever impersonating people. At because of the show, nalaman ko may talent pala ako na gano'n.
At nakita rin ng mga tao na, wow, may iba pa palang si JR.
Diba? Kaya nga, natutuwa ako at masaya. And yung experience sa show, maganda kasi I'm growing as an artist because I study all these music icons. Feeling ko parang I'm growing as an artist na apply ko sa aking artistry.
Cause I will never give up and never give in. The bridges we cross and the battles we win, we will never be left to face them on your own.